Basically it's, you know, just things to try and make all the traveling a little bit easier. Towards something better, you know. We're always working to make something a little bit better. Just make your life a little bit better every day, and soon enough you'll look back and you'll realize how far you've come. Good morning / afternoon. We just come out of our place. We're going to this place called Decathlon that Asha wants to go to, which kind of has like, well, it's sports but also like outdoor kind of traveling stuff. So we'll go have a look there, and then go back to like Chinatown, pick up our laundry, and then I think we might be going separate ways. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm then going to go get some camera stuff, or like I found one mall that has like at least 5 to 10 camera shops, so I'm heading there.
Wow.
To try and sort you out a little bit. But also one of my GoPro batteries has just died, which is great. I mean 3 is probably enough, but you know, it's nice having 4. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I don't know where we're going there. No, we're going this way, aren't we? Are you on that?
What I would like to get in Decathlon. Oh. Good hit, but they leave. That's for luck. I would like to get in Decathlon some like travel cutlery, which is like a spoon, fork and knife in one, because I just find it quite difficult. I had one, but I must have lost it somewhere. And then we're having trouble sometimes to get warm water, like hot water, because in some hotels people just want to serve us the breakfast like by ourselves, but don't give us entrance to the kitchen. And I'm just a big tea drinker, and basically like swimming all the time or having cold showers. You just need to have a little bit hot drink. So I'm hoping there's going to be like this kind of how do you say how do you say the name? I call it grzałka in Polish, which is like a metal stick that you just have a cable with. So it's a stick with a cable. Sounds weird, but it's a stick with a cable. And then you put it in electricity, and the other end you put in the water. And you can put in a cup or you can put it in a pot. And basically camping, you just cook water like this. So hopefully they have that, because it's very small and very good for traveling wherever we are. If we're on tent, if we're on Aegean, or if we're in hotel. So fingers crossed.
Okay guys, so we're just going down into the underground, down this way. I've kind of taught you how to do it before, haven't we? So you know what you're doing. We're just gonna go down. Hello! So we just got off at KLCC as we were here yesterday. By the time we'd kind of done everything else, we were too shopped out to go to Decathlon, which is over there, back down there. So that's where we were heading now. So yeah, come along, see what they got there. Shopping, I think. Let's see. Basically, it's, you know, just things to try and make all the traveling a little bit easier, and like kind of reconstruct maybe a few bits that have kind of fallen apart over the last 2 months. Basically, that's kind of how I look at it. So yeah, we've come across to this other mall, like I said. It's full of malls here. We are mallful. Decathlon. It's just like mall-tastic. Mall everywhere. Oh wow, it's got everything. Hello! So yeah, as you can maybe see, it's massive. Absolutely massive, this place. I think Asher probably want to go over there. definitely. Virtual reality. Sandals, everything. It's like Decathlon on steroids, really. Massive Decathlon.
39.
39.
So good.
Okay. So yeah, we're looking more at this stuff. Camping. I think she wants something from here, maybe this. I would say that's what she wants. We shall see. We never know, do we? We never know, people. We never ever know. Okay, well, I'll let her do that stuff. I'm actually looking for stuff as well. I'm looking for like little compartment packing things. So probably maybe over here or this. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. 3 of them even. I'm looking for these kind of all over. How much is that there? Yeah, maybe I'll get those. Okay guys, so we got this one. I didn't realise that the bigger one is actually on the inside. Doesn't make sense to me, but I guess it's to keep it all nice and compact. Now we're looking at ponchos, particularly for the rain. And just at the moment I've got like a really cheap plastic poncho that I got in Yogyakarta, and then I've got a really, well, an Adidas cool like jacket, but that's pretty, I mean, it doesn't protect you from the rain at all. So I'm thinking of upgrading to something like this and getting rid of both of those. These are to replace a couple of the things that I've got. The zips have gone on them, like, you know, the zips aren't very good, and these are actually quite good zips, a lot better than the ones I saw I had. So yeah, that's upgrade, maybe an upgrade here. Just trying to figure out which one I want. And what I'm thinking as well, because of cameras, etc., I was thinking maybe I should get one with sleeves, but no, it's actually better to get one with just like this, so then I can slip the camera in and out, if that makes sense. So more poncho style to slip like my big camera in and out. Because particularly in Jogja, it was raining, I had my big camera with me, and then I was all of a sudden caught in rain. I was like, oh, my camera's just going to get soaking, and I didn't realise. You know, very unprepared, very unprepared. So yeah, okay, gonna keep trying these things on. What do you reckon, people?
Very good.
Oh, this one, people. This one. This one. We got either 39, 59. Okay guys, we're also getting goggles. Ashley's just trying hers on, or maybe she's getting some, not sure. But if you remember, she broke mine. No, they're some cheap ones that I got in Corfu, and like over the period of about 6 months, they've kind of deteriorated, and eventually they were breaking anyway, and then eventually Asha put them on and they snapped. But yeah, Asha's getting that done, getting that thing done. I was thinking about a rash shirt as well. It's funny that they call them men's solar protection wear, whereas I would call them a rash shirt, just so you're getting the rash from your surfboard. Yeah, no, I'll stay away from those, I think. I don't really want solar protection. Probably regret that one day, I guess, but oh well. Okay guys, so we're gonna go pay now. Pay over here somewhere. Okay guys, so we've got loads of things. We've got these bags, packing cubes, which there's actually 3 of them in there, some goggles, some travelers knife, fork, spoon, and goggles. Did I say goggles? Goggles and a poncho. Yes. Wow, very successful already. I'm actually just going to like the weights kind of section. No, I've already paid for these, by the way. But yeah, going to the weights section. I wouldn't mind getting like some exercise bands. Arms starting to like disappear completely. It would be nice actually to be able to go to a gym. I thought the place we were staying at now actually had a gym, but it unfortunately doesn't. So yeah, maybe I'll get some like little exercise bands, but I don't know. Never really liked them, but if they work, they work. Okay guys, I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get these as well, and then I'm gonna run away before I spend any more money. So
This shop is great, isn't it?
yeah, I didn't realise. Okay, so yes, gonna get these. They're like little exercise bands, just to build those arms back up a little bit. We'll see, we'll see. I mean, I've used them before and felt a bit stupid, but you know, maybe while traveling, why not, eh? Let's try it. Okay guys, so got loads of things. Yeah, I got those stretchy band things, exercise band things in the end. Annoyingly, I did actually have some in London. I went, no, I'm never gonna do, stupid, I'll leave them here. Yeah, so you know, I've probably had them like 2 or 3 times in my life, but yeah, this time maybe I'll use them before my arms drop off. But yeah, look, it all fits in there, it's all connected to me. All up, I think it cost, well, I went back and bought some more stuff, right? So it was 166 for the first round, and then bought the stretchy band things for 25. So there's 191, so around £40 I spent. But you know, all to make my little bits of my life a little bit easier, you know. It's all incremental steps towards, I was going to say perfection, but you know, that's unattainable. Incremental steps, but towards something better, you know. We're always working to make something a little bit better. Just make your life a little bit better every day, and soon enough you'll look back and you'll realize how far you've come. Alright, that's enough of that. Going in a shopping mall again.